Hey guys, welcome to Red50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you miss out on future videos. So in today's video, we're gonna show you how to connect your phone to the sync system. Maybe you just got a recent Ford vehicle or a Lincoln vehicle and you're wanting to connect your phone to your new car. Here's how you're gonna do it. Okay, so you're gonna start your car and go to your sync system menu. So mine looks like this. If you don't have a dark blue theme, that means you're an older sync version. For the purpose of this video, it does not matter, but if you do want to upgrade it, I have a lot of tutorials on how to upgrade your Sync 3 to the latest system, and I'll leave them in the description. You can check what sync system you're on by going to Settings, then you're going to go to General, scroll down, you can click About Sync. So mine is the latest Sync 3 3.4. You can update it from whatever sync system you have, so if you don't have a 3.4, theme might be light blue than the dark blue theme I currently have. But to connect your phone, you're going to go to Settings, you're going to come here, this is the Settings tab, and you're going to locate phone. You're going to locate phone, tap on that, and go ahead, go to your device. Make sure the Bluetooth is turned on, and you can search for Ford Mustang. In my case, that's what I have. But if you have a Ford Fusion, Ford Explorer, or a Ford Transit van, this is what you're going to be searching for. And once you do that, you're going to tap on the Ford Mustang, in my case, on your phone, and it's going to give you a PIN. And then you're going to get the PIN number on your phone, so make sure this matches what you have on your sync screen. So in my case, it does match. So I've already confirmed it on my phone. So that's what you have to do first. And then here you can press yes. And it's going to take a while to connect it. And it's currently syncing it up. And there we go. The pairing is successful. So the phone is connected now. You have the option to turn on the 911 assist, automatic contact download. I don't want that. So we're going to click no, click finish successfully. And if you go on phone, it's going to display. You can go to view devices. And I have my phone listed right here. So this one basically is saying this is the favorite. So if you click on this, you can disconnect it. You can also mark it as favorite. So if you have multiple phones listed here, you can mark one of them as your favorite. So every time you get in the car, the Bluetooth, like if there's two devices of the Bluetooth are connected, it's going to connect to the one that's on the favorite menu. And here's some other things you can do once your phone is connected. You can manage your contact. That's only if you have synced the contacts. You can set the ringtone. You can decide the text messaging. Basically, all of that is located in the phone settings, so you can update it however you want to. Even you get a low battery notification. If your phone is connected, you're not able to kind of look at it. If you're running low on battery, you want to charge it, it's going to give you the battery notification as well. So all of that is pretty cool to do. And of course, you can go to your phone tab and basically pull up your contacts if you've synced them. If not, you can go to the keypad and actually dial the number and call directly from here without ever having to pick up your phone. Same goes for text messages. If you click here, you can sync your text messages, so every time you get a text message, you can respond to it with the voice system. You do have the option for Siri as well, and like I said, if you do have multiple phones connected, you can change your phone. So if maybe you did not mark it as favorite, it shows up as this phone, but you want to connect to someone else's phone, you just go and change phone, and you'll have the list here again, and just tap from there. And that is how you connect your phone to your new sync system. It's very easy to do. If you don't follow some of the key steps, you might have connectivity issues. What I personally like to do when I do connect it, I mark it as favorite as opposed to leaving it as is, because that basically takes care of any issues with the connectivity with the sync system. I hope you guys enjoyed this very short tutorial. It was very easy to follow. If you enjoyed it, make sure you smash that like button. Comment below if you have any connectivity issues with the sync system. I do have master reset and soft reset tutorials as well, so that will kind of take care of some of those. And of course, subscribe to Red50 for more sync tutorials.